Welcome back to Learn BC. We're here to talk about the general business posting groups. But before we do, please click like on the video, share the love, let people know that you're watching our videos, and yeah, that'd be brilliant. Let's get into it. Now, here is our crazy posting world that I've drawn out for you in a prior video. But we're here to talk about the general business posting groups. And from this general business posting group, it will generally be tagged on a customer or a vendor. So in your customer, you'll have multiple posting setups on each customer or a vendor. And one of them that we're talking about today is the general business posting groups. Now, for this example, most of the time we will relate, we'll only see this used and come to life through the document, which would be a sales invoice or a purchase invoice. However, if you were doing a sales invoice journal or a purchase invoice journal, you can actually tag on the journal the posting group as part of that before, coding straight to GL or whatever. It's just something that's there. So when you're posting your document, what happens is it combines in the matrix between the general business posting group and what's referred to as the general product posting groups to come out and tell you where your revenue and your costs will be determined, as well as other balance sheet transactions like deposits, interim inventory, etc. So the posting setup determines all these things. Let's take a quick look in Business Central. Here we are in Dynamics 365 Business Central, and I'm going to search General Business Posting Group. From here, you can see I've only got two, and I'm using this here as an example. We would break down our customers and say, customer or vendor, are you domestic or foreign? Now, this is Microsoft's default example. I have clients who have broken this down by commercial, government, wholesale, intercompany, okay? And it can be used that if you're dealing with a customer or a vendor that falls into one of those buckets, your posting setup just here will determine how your posting to the chart of accounts works. So what we're going to do here from the general business posting groups, we're going to click setup, and it's going to take us in. And although we're not here to talk about the general product posting groups today, this is where it combines. And here I can see all of the different responses for the sales account, credits, prepayments, purchases, purchase deposits, COGS, interim inventory, as I said before, direct cost applied, overhead, etc. So this is the magic of Business Central, is how this can be used to benefit the result of what you're wanting to achieve. So that basically sums up the general business posting group. Thank you for your time.